What are helminths in amphibians? Imagine tiny worms sneaking inside frogs, salamanders, or newts without you even noticing. These creatures are called helminths, and they are a common part of amphibian life. Helminths are parasitic worms that live inside amphibians, often affecting their health and well-being. They belong mainly to three groups: trematodes, cestodes, and nematodes. Each group has its own shape, size, and way of infecting the host. Trematodes, also known as flukes, are flat and leaf-shaped worms. They usually settle in organs like the intestines or the urinary bladder of amphibians. These worms have suckers that help them attach tightly to tissues. Their life cycle often involves snails as intermediate hosts before they infect the amphibian. When a frog or salamander ingests or comes into contact with contaminated water, the trematodes can enter their body and start their parasitic journey. Cestodes, or tapeworms, are long, flat, and segmented worms. They mainly live in the digestive system of amphibians. These worms absorb nutrients directly through their skin and can grow quite long, sometimes reaching several inches. Their larvae can form cysts in tissues, which might cause damage or interfere with normal body functions. Tapeworm infections are often linked to poor sanitation or contaminated water sources. Nematodes, or roundworms, are cylindrical and look like tiny spaghetti. They can be found in various tissues, including the digestive tract. Nematodes have complex life cycles that include several larval stages and molts before they become adults. These worms can cause health issues like weight loss, poor growth, or even blockages in the digestive system if their numbers become high. In addition to these main groups, some thorny-headed worms, called acanthocephalans, also infect amphibians. They have a proboscis with hooks that help them attach inside the host's intestines. These worms often use amphibians as intermediate or final hosts in their life cycle. The impact of helminth infections on amphibians can vary. In the wild, natural balances usually keep parasite numbers low, so most amphibians stay healthy. But in captivity, poor husbandry practices like overcrowding, dirty environments, and stress can lead to higher parasite loads. This can cause problems such as slow growth, reduced reproduction, or increased vulnerability to other diseases. Knowing about helminths is important for anyone caring for amphibians. Regular health checks, keeping enclosures clean, and providing proper treatments can help control these parasites. This knowledge also helps scientists understand how parasites influence amphibian populations and ecosystems. To sum up, helminths are worm-like parasites that live inside amphibians. They include flukes, tapeworms, roundworms, and thorny-headed worms. Their presence depends on environmental conditions and how well the amphibian is cared for. Managing these parasites is a key part of keeping amphibians healthy and thriving.